Two powerhouse automation tools, n8n and Power Automate, go head to head. Which one really delivers? On the left, we have n8n open source, customizable, and up and coming in the world of workflow automation. On the right, the established contender, Microsoft's Power Automate, polished, popular, and packed with integrations. We're putting both platforms through the tests that matter: ease of use, flexibility, integration options, pricing, scalability, and real-world use cases. We're skipping the marketing jargon. Let's focus on what actually makes a difference. Each category earns points, and when it's all said and done, you'll know exactly who wins. And trust me, the result might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive into the details, here's our game plan. We're comparing these two across price, integration and connectors, customization, ecosystem, security and compliance, scalability, and of course, usability. Picture a mind map with each of those categories popping up, because that's where both tools either shine or kinda struggle. Kicking things off with price. 8n, honestly, kind of knocks it out of the park here. There's a free self-hosted version, and even the cloud plans won't break the bank. The only catch? If you're a big company needing enterprise support, you'll have to pay extra for that. Now, Power Automate does get bundled into Microsoft 365 subscriptions, so if you're already living in the Microsoft universe, it can feel like a nice perk. But, the advanced connectors and add-ons, those can add up fast. No doubt, for bargain hunters and add-ons, those can add up fast. 8n takes this round. Next up, integrations and connectors. This is actually where Power Automate flexes a bit. We're talking like 700 connectors built in, and everything just works if you're deep in the Microsoft ecosystem. n8n comes in strong with tons of community integrations, and you can build custom nodes if you're up for it. But sometimes getting a connector running isn't as plug and play as you'd hope. So for convenience, Microsoft just edges it here. Now, customization. Oh, this is where 8n fans get excited. Full source code access, you can write your own nodes, extend stuff however you want. If you can dream it, you can probably script it. The flip side, you do kind of need to know what you're doing. Power Automate keeps things simple with its no-code and low-code designer, and you can sneak in scripts for advanced flows. But if you really want to get under the hood, the closed ecosystem can be a bit limiting. 8n's got this one, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know n8n's name actually comes from nodemation, like node plus automation? Definitely a fun bit of trivia you can drop at your next tech meetup. On to ecosystem. So here's the deal. n8n's open source community is active and growing, no doubt about it. But Microsoft? I'm not sure it gets bigger than this. Support, training, documentation, deep integrations with Office, Teams, Azure, the works. You do need a Microsoft account for everything though, which, take it or leave it. Still, Power Automate totally dominates in this department. Security and compliance. This is super important, right? With n8n being self-hosted, you are totally in control of your data. That's awesome if you like DIY solutions, but you're also on your own for things like compliance. Power Automate, on the other hand, throws all the enterprise-grade security and certifications at you. If you need to tick every regulatory box, it's hard to beat Microsoft's scale, even if some data takes a detour through their servers. Power Automate takes this win easily. Scalability and hosting. Alright, this one's surprisingly close. n8n, deploy it anywhere, cloud, on-prem, Docker, go wild. Only catch is you'll be doing a bit more manual setup and scaling yourself. Meanwhile, Power Automate is cloud native, so if you're on Azure, it grows with you pretty much automatically. On-prem? Yeah, not really Microsoft's happy place. This round, I gotta call it a tie. Both have their perks, both have their quirks. Last, but definitely not